Member View is now live inside of your Mighty Network. This is a great feature for you to be able to view your network as a specific member. This tool is great for seeing if you have your access set up correctly, checking on promotional banners and how particular members see them. You can also troubleshoot things like notifications, access for members as well. So to be able to get to this tool, you'll go to the gear icon here, Members, and then this is your member list, and you'll go to a full member here, select the 3-dot menu, and then click View as the member. You can also get to that menu in the member detail page, and if you go to a particular member's profile, that 3-dot menu is there as well. So you'll see that I'm viewing as Olive Hilton. I can easily change who I'm viewing with this drop down here. This is a read-only experience, so I won't be able to post or interact as Jane Smith. You see this little grayed out icon that's following me around. I won't be able to comment, but I can see some of the personal settings inside of here, particularly notifications. So I can look to see if maybe her notifications aren't correct, and maybe that's why she's not receiving some of them. So you do have some troubleshooting tools available inside, and then you can select exit once you're done. A few things to note about this feature: network hosts will be able to view as full or limited members. Network moderators don't have access to this tool, and network hosts won't be able to view as network moderators. So this is a host to member tool for you to be able to help out your members, also see what they see inside of your network. We recommend also that you open up a new browser on your desktop. This is a web-only feature, and not have any other tabs logged into any other accounts, as that will disrupt the viewing experience. So open up a fresh new browser in your Mighty Network, log into your host account, and then from there, view as any particular member you would like. We hope that this helps you out a lot in your day-to-day running of your Mighty Network, and we can't wait to see how you use this feature.